You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, then welcome. I am Imogen, and welcome to my travel diaries. Today I'm going to go through what I am packing for my trip to Bali. We are initially going for 2 months, and then we may go somewhere else. We have to come back for a hospital appointment, but we may be going somewhere else after. It depends. We're going to go with the flow, but this is going to basically be for a 2-month trip. So if you are interested in seeing what I am packing, it's my first time travelling for this length of time as well, so if I'm missing anything, please tell me in the comments below, because I'm going next Thursday, so I'm so excited. Anyway, so let's get into the video. Okay, so this is kind of pretty much everything that I am taking with me to Bali. Obviously Liam is taking his own bag. We've both got the same rucksack, and I'll show you that in a little while, but let me just kind of go through everything that I've taken. Let's start off with the most important bit, the swimsuits. Well, in my opinion it's the most important bit, because I just love swimsuits. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 costumes that I'm taking. A little bit excessive, I know. A little bit excessive for, yeah, just excessive. Then I've got these bikinis. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bikini tops, but I have also got a Zaful order that's in my bedroom. I haven't recorded the Zaful haul yet, so I'm not going to show you those ones. There's 5 bikinis in that, so I'm taking 12 bikinis, which now I'm saying it out loud and I'm like, Imogen, that's excessive, that's ridiculous. Can you tell that this is the first time I'm going travelling for longer than 2 weeks? Yes. So we'll move on to tops. I think I've done pretty well with the rest of the clothes. I'm not taking that much in terms of clothes. I mean, some people might think this is still excessive, but I don't travel lightly. I just can't do it. I just can't do it. So we've got some like basic jersey tops there just from Zara, a couple of bits that were in my recent Primark haul, so we've got like 5 tops there, and then we've got a couple more strappy tops, a shirt which I use, the rainbow coloured kind of shirt, I use that as a beach cover up. Then over here we've got bottoms, we've got a denim skirt, a couple of pairs of shorts, some leggings just in case I go to the gym. Well, I will be going to the gym. I've also got gym stuff that is currently in the wash that I'm also taking as well. And 2 more pairs of shorts. So also there's a in there, the floral print. Can you just see that? That floral print. That is a pair of long trousers, just in case, you know, for evening sort of wear, just in case I want to kind of cover up a little bit more. I've got some long floaty trousers, and then I could probably put it with one of these tops, and then I've got quite a few beach cover-ups as well. So this is like an ombre beach cover-up. It's just, it doesn't fasten up. It's kind of like a long cardigan, but it's just really sheer. Then I've got like a black shorter version of that. I've got a really sheer long-sleeved floaty top. And then we've got a beach cover-up from Misguided. So they're kind of the beachy stuff to go with my excessive amount of bikinis and swimwear. Okay, so I actually think that I've done pretty well. I know a lot of you are going to be like, Imogen, you've got so many outfits there, like that's ridiculous, you're going to be washing your clothes, what are you doing? But I just like to kind of pack. I've still got more things to add to the pile, like this hoodie. I'm going to wear probably this hoodie on the plane, just because I always get cold on the plane. And then I've got like gym wear, like the gym wear I'm wearing now. I'll probably put that in as well, but I'm obviously wearing things. I've still got like, what day is it today? Saturday, and we go on Thursday. So I've still got a few days of things that I will be adding to this. But I just kind of thought I'd go through like the basics kind of thing. I'll move on now to like, because we're obviously going to be filming out there a lot, I'll move on to like all the techie stuff. Obviously, if you're not like doing YouTube or anything like this, then you probably won't be taking any of this, but I'll just kind of quickly go through all of the tech that I'm taking. Okay, so to start off with, I'll just move my meds out of the way. We're taking the Rode mic, is it the Pro? I think it's the Pro, not the Pro 2, it's just the Pro mic. And we've just recently got that as well, so let me know in the comments if you actually think that's decent camera or not. These headphones, these just Sony headphones. A drive, we've actually got 2 of these now because me and Liam both edit quite a lot, so we was like, right, we're using tons and tons of like memory cards and stuff, so Liam really needs a drive on his own. So we've got 2 Lacie drives. And in my opinion, Lacie drives are the best drives. They use them in the TV production industry and the film industry. They're just really, really like reliable compared to other drives. They are a little bit more expensive, but if you are into like editing, etc., I would invest in one of these. They're just totally worth it. So I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. Obviously, it's just like for kind of just to see the spec and stuff. You obviously don't have to use my link to buy it, but it's just there in case you want it. I've got a thermometer. This is a digital one, just in case we get sick. I keep hearing people getting like Bali belly, so just to kind of like keep on top of what we're feeling like, etc. Got some earplugs just in case we want to use them on the plane. Okay, next up we have some padlocks. So obviously these are really useful for our bags. We're taking a rucksack, so I just thought it'd be useful to get some padlocks. We have got a first aid kit, which we was actually advised to get a first aid kit. I keep seeing people like going travelling with first aid kits because it's got this one's a really good one. It's got and it's also got like syringes and an IV cannula, just in case you end up in a hospital and you want a clean needle and you can give it to the doctors. We have a dock and bay towel. This is just a really, really lightweight towel. Oh yeah, sorry. With the tech stuff, I've also got this speaker. It's probably a little bit too big to bring, so I don't know if I'm going to bring it, but I've just put it in there just in case we do. A mini ring light just for the camera, and this is actually a plug-in one, just because we was finding our previous light was battery powered, so we kept on having to buy batteries or use that rechargeable ones, and it's not always convenient. So then we've got what are these called? A bum bag? A bum bag or a fanny pack if you're in America. And this is ideal because it's like perfect size to put your passport in, all of your money, just in case, because you can obviously get people that steal and stuff, so it's just good for security. Some memory cards. I have got more than this. I'm taking about 6 or 7 memory cards with me just because me and Liam get through them like wildfire. So yeah, obviously my makeup bag. If you do want me to go through like in detail what I'm taking, like makeup wise, or go through my swimwear or anything like that, just let me know in the comments. I don't know if that's boring or not, but just let me know. So in Bali, you've got a lot of mosquitoes, which you can catch a lot of different things from. So it's really important to use like insect repellent and that sort of thing. So this one has actually got DEET in it. It's 50 plus high strength DEET. So we've just got 2 of those quite high strength ones. We'll probably need to get more while we're out there as well. I'm pretty sure that's everything. Obviously there's things like toilet? No, I'm not taking a toilet with me. Obviously there's things like phone charger that I haven't included in here, toothbrush, etc. I've got a few more things, but this is basically the basics. Well, the majority of the stuff that we're taking. I just want to quickly go through what bags that we're taking. We've actually got the Mountain Warehouse. What's the name of this bag? Oh, it's the Traveller 60L, 20L. This was the RRP. £120, but we actually got it a lot cheaper on Amazon, so I'll leave a link down below if you're interested. And this is a really, really cool backpack. Basically, let me just bring you up here so you can see me. Basically, I did a lot of research into what kind of bags are like the best bags for when you're traveling. And a lot of people kept on saying that rather than, because a lot of rucksacks, they open from the top section, and when you're traveling and like going around and unpacking and repacking, it's quite hard when you're getting into your backpack that way, rather than, you know, like a suitcase, you lay it on the floor and then open it and then you can literally see, you have access to everything. This backpack is actually amazing because it opens like a suitcase, and it's a 2-in-1 backpack as well. Yeah, so it's a 2-in-1 backpack. So this is the day bag, and it basically has a zip section all around, and you can just basically zip that off and zip it back on, so it's part of the rucksack, which I thought was really, really good. And this is a great size as well, so this will fit in my laptop, and it'll fit in my camera as well, and any bits and bobs that I really need to keep on me just in the daytime. And then this is basically the 60-litre part of the backpack. So it's got, I don't know whether to do like a little review on this when I've actually used it properly, but let me know what you think. Basically, it's also got like, you can tuck the straps. All the straps are inside there to make it a rucksack. But if you're going to put this in the hold at the bottom of the aeroplane, then you can like zip it up so it's all nice and secure. Or if you want to put it all together, then you can just use it as hand luggage, which I thought was amazing. Now looking at this bag, I'm slightly worried that I'm not going to get all of this in there, but we will see. So yeah, so that's basically pretty much everything that I'm taking with me to Bali. I'm only taking 2 pairs of shoes. I don't know whether I should, 3 pairs of shoes. I'm going to be wearing my trainers on the plane, and I'm just going to be taking a pair of flip-flops and just some sliders as well. And I'm not going to bother with heels or anything, because I don't really wear heels as it is anyway, so I'm not going to be stressing. And to be honest, once I've packed all of this in the backpack, I want to make sure that I've got quite a lot of space, because a lot of people say that try and not overpack and fill your suitcase or your backpack, just because you're probably going to want to bring things back, because apparently clothes are quite cheap over there as well. So I'm going to follow that advice. But yeah, this is like basically how a first-time packer packs for a really, really long trip, I guess. If you enjoyed it, I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, then hopefully you subscribe and you stick around for the journey. And turn the little notification bell on as well, so you get notified every time I upload. And I will see you in my next video. By the way, guys, tomorrow is a really exciting video. I've got a 7-day workout challenge, so if you're into fitness, definitely stick around, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!